Please carefully check the accessory list before use. If anything is missing, please contact after-sales customer service in time. Before first use, we need to install the grass bag and the deflector first. When installing the charging station, please secure it in the following order: top left, bottom right, top right, bottom left. Ensure that the base station remains parallel to the ground, without tilting, depressions or bumps. When installing the RTK mounting pole, ensure that there is an open field of view approximately 130 degrees around it. Connect the RTK power cable. Connect the charging adapter. Connect the power source.